Hello, and welcome to my tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to check your tax refund status using the IRS website. First thing you want to do is open your browser and then head to www.irs.gov. Once the site opens, you'll see a few tabs. What you'll want to use is the Refund Status tab. Go ahead and select Refund Status. This is the IRS Where's My Refund page. Here you will see two boxes. To the left is the list of information that you will need in order for you to successfully check your refund. And to the right, you'll see a Check My Refund Status button. Provided below is some more information should you need to call the IRS. What we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go ahead and select the Check My Refund Status button. After reading, go ahead and select OK. And this is our page. We're going to go ahead and use the information that we've collected earlier and enter it. Here we're going to enter our social security number, your filing status, and the exact total of your federal refund amount. When that information is set, go ahead and select Submit. This tab here will lead you back home, and this will lead you to another FAQ page. Thank you for watching my tutorial.